are you from?
So I'm Uruguayan. I'm working here in China as a correspondent, a journalist for TVT, Workers TV, and Luz de Fato. And we collaborate also with Telesur, which is a network, TV network in Latin America.
Where did you come from this time?
Now I'm based in Beijing, working in Beijing. Yes.
So, are you in China for a long time?
Primarily, will be like 2 years. We stay in 2 years at least. So I'm trying to learn Mandarin and to work better here because I have this. It's some kind of difficult to. It's not that easy to make journalists without knowing the language. So I'm trying to learn Mandarin.
See, what do you expect from this interview?
For this forum, you say?
Your job.
So I'm learning a lot about China, and we in Latin America, not only in Brazil but in the whole Latin America, we need to understand and know better China because we don't have much information about China, and especially because we have few media from Latin America reporting from here. So uh, one of my tasks is to produce content to talk with Chinese people, so people in Latin America can know China better and understand China better because usually we receive information only by big medias from the West, and so this is important because we here we get to talk to Chinese people to understand how the how all the process that are complexes here works.
Have you ever been to Tibet?
Oh, not yet, no.
Not yet.
But I want, I really want to go to Tibet. I know that is beautiful. I see some images on
Yeah,
internet, but I really want to go to Tibet. I hope I can go soon.
Do you have any plans to travel to the Tibet?
Oh, no, not yet, not yet.
yet.
But I hope there is an opportunity for me to travel there because they say it's a really beautiful place.
You know, tomorrow is the Golden Panda Award. What are you looking forward to?
I see some of the productions, some of the movies and the TV series, especially some of the Chinese. I really like them. I'm surprised because in Latin America we don't have much access. More and more we are knowing Chinese productions. But it's the first time that I'm seeing a lot of movies and series, Chinese and series and movies. So I really like them. I really like Lighting Up the Stars. I don't know the name in Mandarin. I really like the movie. Three Body Problem, the series. It's a really good series too. So for me, the interesting thing about this festival is that has a theme like bringing together the countries in China under a concept which is cultural exchange and to understand each other better. I think this is a very important way to build a festival.